How to connect GoDaddy domain to Google Sites. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a simple process on how to connect and link your GoDaddy domain name to Google Sites, and I will cover everything you need to know from accessing your GoDaddy account to configuring your settings in Google Sites. So make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will have a personalized and professional web address to make your brand more perfectly. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, hit on the top the link icon. As you see guys, this is my default domain name on Google Sites. Then I will show you a simple process on how to add your GoDaddy domain to Google Sites. Then go back and hit on settings on the top, then scroll to the bottom and hit on custom domain on the left side, then start setup on the right side, then go back to your domain name. Then after buying your domain name on GoDaddy, just go back and hit on account, then scroll to my product section, then hit on my product. Then guys, this is my product section on GoDaddy. Then first guys, hit on DNS. Then guys, go directly to copy your domain name first and go back and paste it on custom domain section, then paste it. Then guys, before starting you need to verify your GoDaddy domain on Google Search Console, then hit on verify your ownership, then hit on continue. As you see guys, your ownership auto verified. Now to stay verified, don't remove the DNS record to avoid losing verification. Just go and hit on go to proprietary. Now your GoDaddy domain was added and linked to Google Search Console. Then go back to your Google Sites, then again and reload the page. Then go back and hit on settings and hit on custom domain and start setup. Then again paste your domain name. As you see guys, automatically your verification icon, it will appear automatically. Then hit on next. Now guys, hit on, you need to add this CNAME record on your GoDaddy. Then go back and hit on GoDaddy, and first you need to go to DNS section, hit on DNS section. Then guys, you need to add a new record. Then scroll to the bottom and hit on add a new record. Then first you need to add CNAME record. Then the name, go back, the name is www, then www, then the value, just go back, this is the value, then copy the value.com, then go back and paste it, then the TTL and hit on save. It's take a few seconds. Now your DNS record has been updated successfully. Then go back and hit on done, then wait a few seconds. Now guys, your domain name was added and linked with Google Sites successfully without no issue. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.